Good morning to all. Welcome to Enunciate Academy. Good morning, Hanish, Koteshwara, Mahesh, Praneeth, Purna, Purushottam. Okay. Today our concept is germination and seed dispersal. Seed germination and seed dispersal. You listen very carefully. Okay. Then only you can understand. Otherwise you can't. Okay. So what is seed germination? What is seed germination? Please see this picture. Okay. Seed germination can be defined as the growth of a seed into young plant or seedling. This is seedling. This is young plant or seedling. Okay. Please see the picture. This is young plant or seedling. Okay. Once again, seed germination can be defined as the growth of a seed into young plant or a seedling. This whole process is also known as seed germination. This process is also known as seed germination. Germination occurs when seed starts to grow. When germination is occur, when the seed start to grow, that process known as, then that time germination is occur. Okay, when the seed start to grow, the germination is occur. Okay, it is a fundamental process. Germination is a fundamental process by which different plant species grow from a single seed into a plant. In this fundamental process, in this germination process, okay, a single seed grow into single plant. Okay, every single seed grow into every single plant. Okay, this is a germination. This is a fundamental process in our universe. Okay, the next point is seed contain an embryo. Seed contain embryo. Embryo means this one embryo. This is the process. This is the embryo. Okay, this is the embryo. Okay, seed contain an embryo, a store of a food and a protective coat. Okay, see the picture, Nana. This is the food of seed. This is the food. This is the seed coat. This is the embryo. The starting point is the embryo. Okay, do you observe? Okay, this is the food. This is the seed coat. Okay, this is the embryo. Okay, seed contain embryo, a store of a food and a protective coat. Okay, do you understand until now? Okay. The next one is the process of seed germination. What are the process of seed germination? The first one is imbibition. In seed germination, the first process is imbibition. Okay. Good morning, Radhika. Good morning. Okay. The first one is imbibition. Seed rapidly absorb water. In this condition, in this imbibition process, the seed absorb water. The seed absorb water and causing, and after the absorbing water, the seed swelling. The seed is swelling and softening the seed coat. After absorbing the water, what happened? Seed is swelling and softening the seed coat. Softening the seed coat because the seed absorb water. That's why the seed coat is very softening. Okay. The next process is in the germination, activation of enzymes. Okay. Seed has also enzymes. Seed has also enzymes. When the seed absorbs water, on that time, all enzymes are activated and initiating growth and metabolic process is also started. Metabolic process means Jeva Kriya. Like our human beings, seed also started to metabolic process. Okay, when we give sufficient water, light, temperature, okay, all that conditions, all enzymes are activated and initiate to growth. Okay, the next process is radical emergence. Radical means root. Okay, this, see the picture. This is a seed. This is the seed. First, what happened? Radical is emergence from the seed. Okay, radical emergence. The radical means primary root. Radical means primary root. Ruptures means break. Okay, ruptures means break. Break the seed coat and observe the underground water. Okay, observe the underground water and provide to the seed. Okay, do you understand this concept? After imbibition, what happening? Activation of enzymes. After activation of enzymes, what happening in that seed? Radical emergence is started. Okay, radical emergence means primary root is grow into the downward direction and it absorbs groundwater and provide to the seed. Okay, the next process is shoot growth. Okay, please see the picture. This is the shoot or a plumel. This is the shoot or a plumel. Okay, do you observe? This is a shoot or a plumel. This is grow into upward direction. The radical grow into downward direction. Okay, this is radical or a root grow into downward direction. The plumel or a shoot grow into upward direction. First, what emergence? The radical is emergence. A root is emergence. Then the plumel is emergence. Okay, the shoot growth. The plumel emergence and the shoot grow upward direction. Radical grow downward direction. The shoot or a plumel growth upward direction. Okay, and the next process is seeding formation. Okay, after these processes, imbibition, activation of enzymes, radical emergence, shoot growth, and the next process is seeding formation. Seeding means young plant. Seeding means young plant. Okay, seed cells become metabolically active. Seed cells become metabolically active. Why? Because of the seed can absorb water, oxygen, light, temperature. That's why the seed cells become metabolically active, elongate and divided to form a seedling. Okay, in these favorable conditions, the seed grow into a seedling. The seed grow into a young plant. This is the process of germination. These are the processes of in germination, seed germination. Okay, the first one is imbibition. In this condition, the seed absorbs the water and swelling and started to metabolism. And seed coat is also softening in this condition. Okay, the second one is activation of enzymes. The second process is activation of enzymes. In that seed, all enzymes are activated and initiating to growth. And metabolic process is also started in this stage. Okay, the next process is radical emergence. Okay, radical means primary root. The radical means primary root. The radical grow towards the downward direction. The radical grow towards the downward direction and absorbs the groundwater and provide to the plant. Okay, the next one is shoot emergence. Okay, also known as a plumal emergence. This is the shoot or a plumal emergence. Okay, shoot grow upward direction. Okay, shoot grow upward direction. The next process is seedling formation. Okay, the next process is seedling formation. Seed cells becoming metabolically active. Okay, elongate and divided to form a seedling. Okay, this is the germination process. Now, this is the process. Okay, this is imbibition and the enzymes are activated in this stage. Okay, this is the germination process. This is the germination process. How the seed germination? Okay. Okay. What are the conditions necessary for seed germination. What is the conditions necessary for seed germination? In what conditions the seed germination is happened? Okay. The first one is water. The first one is water. Okay. Provides hydration for a protoplasmal activities. Okay. The seed require water because of protoplasma activities. Okay. The next point is supplies dissolved oxygen to the embryo. Okay. Seed get a oxygen from the water. That's why seed need to water. The next one is softens the seed coats and increase permeability. Okay. What are required for seed coat softening? Okay. Seed required water because okay, seed coat is softening. The next one is converts insoluble food into the soluble form of a translocation. Okay, water is required. Water is required for an insoluble food into soluble food. Okay, the water converted into insoluble food into soluble food and provide to the seed. Okay, to grow the new plant. Okay, so water is very necessary for seed germination. Water is very necessary for seed germination. The second one is oxygen. The second one is oxygen. Oxygen is essential for seed growth and metabolism. Okay, oxygen is also very important role in seed germination for seed growth and metabolism activities. The second one is required for aerobic respiration. Required for aerobic respiration. Okay, like us, seed also start to respiration. That's why oxygen is very important. The next one is oxygen availability may be limited if seeds are buried too deep. Okay, if you seed buried too deeper in the soil, the oxygen is very limited. On that condition, the seed can't grow into a new plant. Okay, so what are the conditions for seed germination? Water and oxygen. Okay, do you understand until now? Please raise your hands. Students, very good. Okay. The third condition is temperature. Temperature is very important for seed germination. Okay. Optimum temperature for germination is 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. Optimum temperature means ideal temperature. Okay. Every seedling need to ideal temperature. This is between 25 to 30 degree centigrade. That's why we also known as a optimum temperature. Optimum temperature is 25 to 30 degree centigrade. Okay. But different seeds having a varying temperature requires. But some seedlings have a different temperatures. Different temperatures. So minimum temperature is 5 degrees centigrade and maximum temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Some seedlings need to 5 degrees centigrade. Some seedlings need to 10 degrees centigrade. Some seedlings need to 15 degrees centigrade. That's why we require 5 to 40 degrees centigrade some seedlings. Okay. The next one is fourth point, light or a darkness. Okay, until now the seed need water, oxygen, temperature. The fourth factor is light or a darkness. Light or a darkness. Light can trigger, okay, means cause. Light can cause germination in many seeds. Okay, some many seeds what require light is very important. Okay, you observe many plants grow towards the light. For example, sunflower. Sunflower tree, which direction face to which direction? Always the sunflower tree always face to light. Okay, where is the sun located? At that side the sunflower plant located. Okay, so every plant require light also. Some plants require darkness. Okay. So these are the factors necessary for seed germination. Okay. Do you understand until now? What are the factors required for seed germination? Water, oxygen, temperature, light or darkness. Okay, light or darkness. Some plants grow in light, some plants grow in dark. Okay. Factors affecting seed germination. What are the factors affecting seed germination? Affecting means stop the growth of seed germination. What are the factors affecting the seed germination? Let us go. Okay. The first factor is external factors. What are the external factors to stop the seed growth? Okay. What are the external factors to stop the seed growth or affecting the seed germination? Okay. Water. If you give inadequate means lesser than sufficient water. If you give a lesser than sufficient water or excessive means greater than sufficient water, and the conditions, okay, affects the seed germination. Okay, if you give inadequate water or excessive water, supply affects the seed germination. In that condition, the seed germination is stopped. Okay, the next one is temperature. If you give below or above optimal temperature, if you give to the seed below means below 25 degree, okay, above means above 25 degree temperature, in that conditions also the seed, okay, stop to growth. Okay, the next one is oxygen. Insufficient oxygen hinders the seed germination. Insufficient oxygen stops the seed germination. These are the external factors affecting the seed germination. Okay. The next one is internal factors affecting the seed germination. What are the internal factors? Sometimes we give all external factors, but the seed, okay, can't to germinate because of in some internal factors. What are the internal factors? Seed dormancy. Seed dormancy means seed can't grow in this position. Okay, seed dormancy prevents germination even under all favorable condition. Okay, seed growth to prevents. Okay, prevents to germination even under all favorable condition. Okay, if we give sufficient oxygen, sufficient water, sufficient temperature, okay, we give all the favorable condition, but the germination is stopped because of seed dormancy. That is also known as a seed dormancy. The next one is seed coat. Okay, seed coat. Resistant to water and gases, limiting uptake and exchange. Some seed coats are very thick. Some seed coats are very thick. On the state, okay, the seed resists to exchange oxygen and water. Okay, that conditions also the seed germination is affected. Okay, the next internal factor is immature embryo. Some seeds have a immature embryo. Okay, that conditions also the seed affected to germinate. Okay, the next one is plant growth regulators. Okay, plant growth regulators. Some seeds contain a inhibitors. Okay, inhibitors means regulators. Okay, inhibitors means regulators that hinders the germination. Okay, in these conditions also the seed germination is hindered. Okay, the next one is germination time. Okay, in these conditions seeds require more time to germination. In these conditions the seed germinate to more time. Okay, so these are the internal factors. Okay, what are the internal factors? Seed dormancy, seed coat, immature embryo, plant growth regulators, germination time. These are the 5, okay, internal factors. What are the external factors? Oxygen, water, okay, temperature. Insufficient water, insufficient oxygen, insufficient temperature. These are the external factors. Seed dormancy, seed coat, immature embryo, plant growth regulators, germination time. These are the internal factors, okay, affecting the seed germination. Okay, do you understand until now? Please raise your hands. Don't worry about this concept. Okay. In further classes, we repeat. This is the process, germination and seed dispersal. This is the germination process. This is the seed. Okay. After the process, radical emergence. Okay. This is the hypocotyl. In this process, this is the hypocotyl. Okay. The next one is the seed coat. Which is the seed coat? This is the seed coat. Outer layer is the seed coat. Okay. And this is the cotyledon. This is the plumule or a shoot or a leaves. Okay. These are the processes in seed germination. The next one is seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. In seed dispersal, the two types of ways are there. Okay. Natural and artificial methods. Seed dispersal overview. Okay. Seed are dispersed by wind, water, animals. Okay. Seed are dispersed by which are the factors? Wind, water, animals. Okay. Seed requires sunlight, water, space, and minerals for growth. Okay. What are the factors required for seed germination, seed growth? Sunlight, water, space, sufficient space also required. Okay. Minerals for growth. And distribution of a seed in different places promotes a healthy plant growth. Okay. This means when the seed far away from the parent plant, when the seed far away by wind, water, animals, far away from the parent plant, on that condition, the seed grow into healthy plant. On that condition, the seed grow into very healthy plant. Okay, rather than grow into the parent plant. Okay, so what are the factors of seed dispersal? The first one is wind dispersal. The first one is wind dispersal. Seeds with a feathery. Some seeds have a feather. Some seeds have a feathers. Okay. Feathery bristles carried by wind. All those seeds carried by wind. One place to another place. Parent plants to another place. Okay. And seeds land in a different places. Some suitable for growth. Okay. Do you understand this concept? Wind dispersal. Seed with feathery bristles. Seed with feathery bristles, that seeds. Which are the seeds have a featheries? That seeds carried by wind. That seeds carried by wind and far away from the parent plant. Okay. On that condition, the seed suitable for growth. The next method is water dispersal. The second one is water dispersal. Seeds float away in water from the parent plant. Please see the picture. Okay, please see the picture. What happening here? This is the plant near the water body. Okay, the seeds dispersal through the water. Okay, seeds float away in water from the parent plant. Okay, here what is the factor carried the seed? Water. Okay. Examples: mangrove seeds and coconut seeds carried by streams and rivers to grow elsewhere. Okay. For some examples, mangrove seeds and coconut seeds. Okay. Carried by streams or rivers and waters to grow elsewhere. The next one is animal dispersal. Plants produce seeds in a fleshy fruits eaten by animals. Okay. Animals love to eat fleshy fruits. Okay. Seeds passes through digestive tract and are deposited elsewhere. This means when the animal eat the fruit, the fleshy part of the fruit digested. Okay. Remaining seed part is defecated to another place. Okay. On that conditions also the seed is germinated. And squirrels buried seeds. Examples: animal dispersal example, squirrels buried seeds and leading to new plant growth. Okay. The next one is Artificial methods of a seed dispersal. What are the artificial methods used by a botanist and a garden keepers? Okay, artificial methods of a seed dispersal by botanist and garden keeper, like this. Okay, and intentional dispersal of a seeds by a humans. Okay, these are the intentional seed dispersal. These are the intentional seed dispersal by human beings. Okay, so this is the artificial method of seed dispersal. Okay, wind dispersal, water dispersal, animal dispersal. These are the natural seed dispersal. Okay, through the by the human beings, artificial seed dispersal. Seed dispersal, natural and artificial methods. Natural seed dispersal ensures distribution and avoids competition. Okay, what are the benefits of natural seed dispersal? Distribution and avoids competition. Okay, what are the benefits of natural seed dispersal? Ensures distribution and avoids competition from parent plant and other co-plants. Okay, artificial methods promote a plant growth in a desired areas. What are the benefits of artificial methods? Artificial methods promote plant growth in desired areas. Okay, in desired areas. This is the today concept. Okay, do you understand? Do you have any doubts? Please freely ask me. Okay, Radhika, Hanish, Koteshwara, Praneeth, Purna, Rushita, Venkat. Anybody? Okay. Seed germination. Okay, seed germination is a process. Seed into young plant are a seedling. Okay. The next one is the process of seed germination. What are the processes in seed germination? Imbibition, activation of enzymes, radical emergence, okay, shoot growth, and seedling formation. These are the process of seed germination. Okay. And the next one is conditions necessary for seed germination. What are the conditions necessary for seed germination? Water, oxygen, temperature, light and darkness. Light or darkness. Okay. The next one is factors affecting seed germination. What are the factors affecting? Affecting means stop the seed growth. Okay. External factors are water, temperature, oxygen. Okay. Internal factors are seed dormancy, seed coat, okay, immature embryo, plant growth regulators, and germination time. These are the external and internal factors of affecting the seed germination. And seed dispersal, okay. Natural methods of seed dispersal are wind dispersal, water dispersal, animal dispersal. Okay. And artificial method is by human beings. This is the seed germination and seed dispersal. Okay. Okay, Radhika. Remaining. Do you have this concept in your EVS textbook? Do you have this concept, seed germination and dispersal, in your EVS? Please say yes or not. Do you have this concept? Koteshwara, no ma'am. Okay. Okay, Rishita, yes ma'am. Jagarao, no. Okay. Okay, somebody have don't and somebody have do. Okay, very good. Okay. Can I end the session? Please raise your hands. Very good. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.